Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. First time setup Hisense Roku TV. Select your desired language, for example, English, and press OK. Select your environment, for example, setup for home use, and press OK. Select your desired option, for example, wireless, and press OK. Select Set up new wireless connection and press OK. Scroll to your desired wireless network and press OK. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the virtual keyboard, then select Connect and press OK. Using a computer, tablet or mobile device, visit my.roku.com/link and follow the on-screen instructions. Press OK. Select the desired option, for example, do this later, and press OK. Press OK to complete setup. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.